Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and creating a new base plate. This gets you into the scene fast. Next, import or model your locomotive and carriages, then assign a primary part to each. Once done, add attachments where couplers belong and create weld constraints between carriage primary parts so they move as one unit. Make sure to set realistic mass and center of mass values. These affect physics. Finally, group the train into a model named train route so you can reference it in scripts. You now implement the train's movement system. Place path parts or waypoints along the track and index them in an array. Then write a server script that lerps the train route between nodes, using body velocity or vector force for realistic acceleration or tween service for precise timing. Once a target node is reached, update velocity and rotate toward the next node. To keep carriages stable, attach a line position and a line orientation constraints to each carriage attachment. This prevents you finish by wiring controls. Add a driver seat or remote events to handle start, stop, speed changes, and braking, and expose a simple UI. Implement door animations via tween service, triggered when the train stops and players enter or exit. Finally, test multiplayer. Make the server own physics-critical parts or set network ownership to automatic encode to avoid jitter. If you encounter stuttering, check for conflicting forces, overly tight constraint limits, or too many heavy weld constraints, and then adjust mass or use align constraints instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.